Welcome back to Archithings, your home for design inspiration and architectural exploration. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of off-grid brutalist homes, structures that combine raw concrete power with sustainable living principles. If you're a fan of strong geometry, minimalism, and eco-conscious independence, this episode is for you. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop a comment below about what kind of home you'd like to see next. Your support helps us bring you more incredible design stories from around the world. Now, let's step into the rugged beauty of off-grid brutalism, where sustainability meets monumental style. Brutalism emerged in the mid-20th century as an architectural movement that celebrated honesty in materials and structure. The term comes from béton brut, meaning raw concrete, and the style is characterized by its bold geometric forms, exposed construction, and utilitarian approach. While some consider it cold or severe, brutalism's minimalism and sculptural impact have made it a favorite for architects who value authenticity and form. It's a style that doesn't hide behind ornamentation; instead, it expresses strength, permanence, and integrity. Today's architects are giving brutalism a second life, pairing its monumental presence with sustainable, off-grid technologies that redefine what modern living can be. Off-grid living represents freedom from centralized power, water systems, and even traditional notions of urban life. As more people seek sustainability and autonomy, off-grid homes are becoming symbols of resilience and conscious design. Architects are finding innovative ways to integrate renewable energy systems, water harvesting, and waste recycling into homes without compromising aesthetics or comfort. These are not rough cabins in the woods, they're masterpieces of design and engineering. When brutalism meets off-grid living, the result is a structure that's as tough as it is thoughtful, as enduring as it is environmentally aware. Concrete might not sound eco-friendly at first, but when used thoughtfully, it can be one of the most sustainable building materials available. Its durability means less maintenance and longer lifespans, reducing waste and resource use over time. In off-grid contexts, architects often combine concrete with local aggregates or even recycled materials to reduce the environmental footprint. Some use advanced mixes with lower carbon content or incorporate natural fibers for improved performance. The result is a home that not only stands up to harsh conditions but also weathers beautifully, aging gracefully into its natural surroundings. A key aspect of off-grid brutalist homes is passive design, using architecture itself to manage energy. Thick concrete walls act as thermal masses, keeping interiors cool during the day and warm at night. Large overhangs, recessed windows, and carefully placed openings regulate sunlight and airflow, minimizing the need for mechanical heating or cooling. The home becomes its own climate regulator. These principles echo the brutalist ethos: functional, efficient, and honest in purpose, while embracing sustainability at every turn. In an off-grid home, water is as essential as power. Many brutalist designs incorporate rainwater harvesting systems that channel water from flat roofs into filtration tanks for reuse. Greywater recycling, composting toilets, and advanced filtration allow these homes to thrive even in remote or arid landscapes. The design process carefully integrates these systems into the building's geometry for seamless functionality. This self-sufficient infrastructure reinforces the philosophy that true luxury comes from independence, from designing a home that works with the land, not against it. The angular forms and bold planes of brutalist architecture offer ideal surfaces for solar integration. Panels can be mounted discreetly on flat roofs or even embedded into facades without disrupting the design's minimalist integrity. Many off-grid homes use hybrid energy systems, solar panels combined with battery storage and backup generators, ensuring round-the-clock power even in remote environments. This synergy between design and technology demonstrates how the raw beauty of concrete can coexist with high-efficiency renewable systems. Brutalist homes often appear monumental, but their connection to the landscape is profound. Off-grid designs typically nestle into hillsides, perch over cliffs, or emerge from rocky terrain, becoming extensions of the earth itself. Architects sculpt these forms to frame views, channel breezes, and capture sunlight, turning environmental forces into design opportunities. The result is a living dialogue between structure and nature, where concrete becomes a mediator between human intention and the wild beauty of the natural world. Inside Off-Grid Brutalist Homes, the design philosophy continues: minimalism, raw textures, and natural light define the experience. Interiors often feature exposed concrete walls softened by warm wood accents or muted fabrics. Furniture choices tend to lean toward functionality and craftsmanship, pieces that complement the architecture rather than compete with it. The ambience is serene and contemplative, creating a sanctuary that celebrates simplicity and mindful living. One stunning example of off-grid brutalism is the remote cliff house, a monolithic structure perched dramatically over a coastal bluff. Built entirely from locally sourced concrete, it captures energy from both sun and wind. The home's massive cantilevers frame panoramic ocean views while shielding living spaces from direct sunlight. Inside, the minimal aesthetic allows nature to take center stage. This project showcases how powerful and poetic off-grid brutalism can be when form and function move in perfect harmony. Deep in the desert, another masterpiece stands, a brutalist monolith designed to endure extreme temperatures and isolation. Its thick concrete shell keeps interiors cool, while solar panels and underground water storage ensure self-sufficiency. The design embraces silence, solitude, and light, turning the harshness of the environment into inspiration. Here, sustainability is not an afterthought, it's the soul of the design. Modern brutalist architects are pushing concrete further with innovations like 3D printed panels, self-healing concrete, and translucent blocks that transmit natural light. These technologies make it possible to build stronger, lighter, and more sustainable off-grid homes without sacrificing brutalism's bold aesthetic. It's a reminder that even a seemingly ancient material can evolve, and lead the way into the future of sustainable design. Off-grid brutalist homes are often designed for resilience against heat, storms, or seismic activity. Their solid geometries and massing make them inherently durable. Architects use advanced modeling to ensure that every wall, roofline, and opening responds to local conditions, turning environmental challenges into design opportunities. In a world of increasing climate uncertainty, these homes represent stability and foresight, architectural fortresses that protect both inhabitants and the planet. Beyond materials and systems, brutalist architecture evokes emotion, awe, introspection, and respect for raw beauty. Its monumental scale can make us feel small, yet deeply connected to something enduring. When combined with off-grid living, that emotion intensifies. These homes invite solitude, mindfulness, and appreciation for essentials, light, shadow, texture, and silence. They remind us that sustainability isn't only technical, it's also emotional, about living deliberately and in harmony with the world around us. As technology advances, we'll continue to see brutalism evolve, merging raw material honesty with cutting-edge sustainability. Future designs may integrate AI-driven energy systems, modular concrete structures, and biophilic interiors that balance strength with serenity. The future of off-grid brutalism is bold, ethical, and deeply human, a continuation of the timeless dialogue between architecture and environment. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of off-grid brutalist homes, bold concrete designs with sustainable modern grandeur. We hope you've been inspired by the strength, simplicity, and sustainability of this architectural style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Archithings for more architectural stories and design inspiration. Your engagement means the world to us. Until next time, keep dreaming, designing, and discovering the beauty of architecture, one structure at a time.